Hi there. You must be Jamie, the kitchen manager. I'm Alex with KEC Commercial Services. I wanted to talk to you about your kitchen exhaust system and how we can help improve its efficiency.
We actually already have a guy. To be honest, I'm not sure it's something we need to do so often. What's your price?
I get that, and I understand loyalty. So let me ask you this. Did you know that unknown vent hood issues and grease buildup are the leading causes of kitchen fires? In order to give you an accurate price, we would need to do a quote visit, which includes a free inspection. About how old is your system?
I've heard that about fires, but we haven't had any fires in my 24 years here. What makes your service stand out from others we've used before?
That's great, and hopefully 24 more years without fires. What makes us different? We follow local fire codes and all industry standards. We also provide the before and after photos as mandated by the fire code and your insurance company.
Before and after photos, huh? Do you also mop the floor? Oftentimes after a hood cleaning, I've found puddles that I've had to clean up.
Absolutely. Not only do we clean up after ourselves, but we also offer a 24-hour satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with our work, we'll come back and make it right at no extra charge.
That's reassuring. But what about scheduling? Many vent hood cleaners say they're going to show up, and then they don't. I don't even get a heads up.
We've got that covered too. Once we schedule our customers, we also give a courtesy call or text, whichever you prefer, to the person you identified during our customer intake meeting. We're here to make things easier for you.
You've thought of everything, haven't you? Let's set up a time for that free inspection so I can see exactly what you're talking about. I'm not making any promises, but I'm interested in seeing your quote.
Great. I have tomorrow Tuesday at 10 a.m. or Wednesday at 9 a.m. available. It will only take about 30 minutes and is best when the kitchen is off. What works best?
I can't do either. How about Thursday at 8 a.m.?
Thursday is open. See you then. If you found this video useful, please let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to check out the rest of our training courses and check back often to be the first to see new content. Click the link to see more or visit us at www.fightkitchenfires.com and sign up for our newsletter for useful tips and tricks.
Thanks for watching.